So I'm cruising through Scottsdale, Arizona to check out a joint where, get this, the wife is a second-generation Albanian. The husband is an immigrant from Mexico. And together they get this breakfast and lunch joint where they're scratch making about 95% of the menu. This is Perk Eatery.
Table 5, order up.
Anytime we want to go for breakfast, everyone in the family, let's go to Perk.
Fabulous food.
Pancakes, fresh fruit, order up.
It's easy to get a good breakfast. It's hard to get a great breakfast.
That's why restaurant vets Paulina and Carmen Martinez created this place.
We used to go out for breakfast all the time, and we could never find something like what we would make at home.
So they decided to share their unique take on breakfast.
We call it classic Americana with a Southwest kick.
She throws in what she likes, he throws in what he likes.
The result, a menu full of dynamic dishes like this one.
Enchiladas are being plated.
It's really good.
Even though it's got that one ingredient. These breakfast enchiladas gonna involve the EGG word?
What's EGG? Oh, eggs. I'm sorry. It does have them.
It doesn't have them in there.
Oh, okay. Not in there.
On or around them. Give me the rundown.
First step is going to be the spicy New Mexico chili sauce. Chilies with the seeds, hot water, and salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, fresh garlic, honey, chicken base. Then we have chipotles and adobo that have already been pureed.
And now we're gonna come together and do a little...
Little blend up.
Gotta try this. Little yum. Wow, it's ooh.
Little spice.
A little heat in that. So now we're gonna work on the pork.
Spice rub is the first thing we do, and we're gonna start with seasoned salt, fresh ground nutmeg, paprika, cumin, dark chili powder, spicy cayenne, granulated garlic. So we just roll it around a little bit.
Okay.
Then from there, we're gonna top it with our house-made cilantro jalapeno sauce. This is the spicy version. Now we're gonna add cola, and we're gonna let this sit overnight and marinate.
Then roast it.
350 for about 4.5 hours.
Dig it.
So we're gonna pull this out, and we're gonna slice this. Is that money or what?
Do not go and take my lines. So that just breaks apart. So now what are we gonna do with it?
Now we're gonna take it from here, and we're gonna grill it on the flat top so it gets a nice little caramelized crisp on it.
And then we'll put it into the enchilada.
Yeah.
Very nice.
We're gonna slice it up so it makes it a little easier to eat. And then we're gonna take these tortillas, a little bit of homemade chipotle, ricotta,
Okay.
zesty black beans, and then the slow roasted pork goes right on top. And we're gonna top them with that spicy New Mexico chili sauce. And 2 incredible edible eggs, and top it with a little bit of fresh cilantro.
I'm really good. With New Mexican chili enchilada sauce is right on point. A little bit of heat, nice little sweetness to it from that honey. Call it a breakfast enchilada, call it a breakfast burrito, call it whatever you want. Just don't call me late for it. And those eggs are a complete waste of time. That is fine, just by itself.